Hey everybody.
Hello.
Today we are in downtown Sevierville, the historic district, and there's it's fall, so we're getting ready for fall anyway. So we're gonna check out the fall decorations, kind of see what shops and restaurants they have available here.
Yeah, we've never really explored down here before, so it's gonna be new for us.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take you along with us and show you what they got down here.
Yeah.
We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
RVTV.
Alright, we parked over here in the parking lot behind this gazebo that's right across from
The Appalachian
the Appalachian restaurant, Beauty and the Beast Formal Boutique. And they do have some fall decorations over here.
There's already some super cute scarecrows kind of just around.
I just wish it was cooler today because it's not feeling like fall.
some bugs making noise in these flowers.
Yeah, I think they're mating or something.
But isn't it a cute little town? Historic Downtown Sevierville gazebo.
We are on Bruce Street.
Yeah.
Here.
That's the Appalachian restaurant right there. They do have little informative signs all around. Aaron, go be the scarecrow.
I'm probably not tall enough.
Good photo op spot right here. Yeah, we are wishing it was a little cooler out. It's like back up in the mid 80s. Oh look, there's perfect. There's hay for you to stand on. Perfect. You're a cute scarecrow. There's a really cool mural on the wall right here. Red's Cafe. It's like an old school diner. It's pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna walk down the street this way. Wanderlust Salon and Spa. And then right after that they have a new restaurant that's only been open, I think a couple months maybe, called Trotter's Barbecue. Maybe one day we'll have to come try this place out.
Yeah,
it's now
like
open.
These big windows looks like they open up. So maybe when it gets cooler out, that would be fun.
You want to peek in there real quick? Show them what it looks like. Oh my god, it smells delicious.
Wow, it does.
Looks like they have like a sauce bar over there.
It smells so good.
Okay. Looks like quick service. One day we'll come back.
Wow.
It smells fantastic, and I'm super full.
Yes, we just
Because
ate here at Grace Burger.
we just had a very yummy lunch at Gray's Burgers here. Make sure you check that video out. I'm not really sure if it's gonna come out before this one or after. But yeah, it's very quiet here today.
Yes, it's definitely not a lot going on. It's the slower time of the year. For
After Labor Day, after the Rod Run.
Yes. It's like a whole nother world after the Rod Run. It's like,
Yeah.
where are all the people?
Yep. The Jeep invasion, it's all over.
Yes. Now traffic is not as horrible, which is nice.
But at the same time, this is seasonal here, so once it's a slow season like this, a lot of stores aren't even open.
Yeah.
So
Very true.
you never know what you're gonna get.
And like I was saying before, I wish it was a little cooler out today.
Yeah, it's like
Quite hot.
85.
Yeah. It's not feeling like fall yet.
Not yet. And I found Old Smoky. Just kidding. Corporate office. Where's the moonshine samples?
Where's the moonshine?
They said you could have a pumpkin instead. You want to go see Dolly? Let's go see Dolly. Aaron, the sheriff's office is over there. You better watch out.
What did I do?
You better put that pumpkin back. Just kidding.
He's so crazy.
Yeah, but we are over here. I think this is the Sevier County Courthouse. It's a beautiful building.
It really is.
Wow. There's a beautiful United States Marine Corps statue here with the bald eagle with the beautiful flag behind it. Very nice. Oh, U.S. Department of the Navy. Oh, U.S. Army. Oh, it's for all the military.
It says dedicated to the Sevier County veterans, past, present, and future.
That's cool.
And it was put here in 1995.
1995.
It
Wow.
is really cool.
The decorations out here are very cute though. Anybody want some apple butter? I love that they decorate like this for fall. And we're gonna come over in here and say hello to Miss Dolly Parton. Here's the Dolly Parton statue. You say hi to Dolly. You want to sing to her? And I... Just kidding. It's pretty cool.
This statue of Dolly Parton was erected through the generosity of the people of Sevier County. Dedicated May 3rd, 1987.
You know the fun fact about Dolly and the statue? She made the guitar so it was covering up her chi-chis so nobody touched them.
Yep. Trying to take pictures with them and all the things she imagined people
She barefoot
would do.
Yeah. Hi, Dolly. Music Pathways, Tennessee. There's a whole thing here all about Dolly that you can read up on if you want to. But it's really pretty over here. Waiting for the sun to go back behind the courthouse. It is very bright over here. But there is, if you just want to come see Dolly, there's street parking
right here.
All along right here. So you can just pull in and stop by if that's what you're interested in.
Side of the courthouse.
Yeah?
I think so.
This courthouse is beautiful though. And when it hit 4:30, it chimed at us.
That was kind of cool.
It was kind of scary too. It was loud.
Caught us off guard.
Yeah, and they have a lot of decorations over here. Big old pumpkins. Are we gonna buy a pumpkin, Aaron?
I hope so.
We need to.
We need to. October yet, so I should wait a little bit.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm getting excited.
Me too. I just want the weather to match. Like that would be great. We're ready for fall, and I want the weather to match that. But I love these ones over here too. This one's got a little baby in her lap.
Oh, you can go sit. That's a cute photo op. Just we're waiting for the sun to completely peek behind the building. Bye, Dolly.
Bye, Dolly.
See you later.
Be cool, girl.
See you at Dollywood soon.
Yeah, we will. Harvest Fest.
Yes, can't wait for that.
Yeah.
I love the look of this sheriff's office. I feel like it's from a movie or something.
An old cowboy town or something.
Right? Look at the little sheriff emblem. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Like some of here, downtown Sevierville looks beautiful, and then there's some like vacant stores and everything that makes it look not as nice. So yeah.
Kind of make sure.
Yeah. Today checking out downtown Sevierville. Have a good time, Aaron?
I'm enjoying the sun.
It's bright out today.
It's so bright.
Aaron, downtown Sevierville was founded in 1795. Did you know that?
Crazy. 1795.
Yep.
Wow.
Crazy.
Yeah. I think what was going on 300 years ago was wild.
But here's a look at the courthouse from the other side.
It is really pretty.
Gorgeous building.
Especially like those gold caps on the top of the roof. Like, wow.
Wow. There's just a lot of important buildings like down here, like
Law buildings.
yeah, mortgage places and title places and stuff like that. Not too much going on.
Especially today, Tuesday.
Yeah.
During the week after Rock Fest, so not much happening.
Yeah.
But it's a nice stroll.
We're gonna try to find some stuff, hopefully. This is what I mean about some of the spaces being vacant. Just you know, makes it look not as nice down here. It's just dog friendly area as well, so if you're bringing your dog here on vacation, you need a spot to come take them for a good walk. This is a nice spot. In any fun store we've come across, they're all closed. Stinks. Stinky, stinky. Who's this dog over here? There's a dog statue. I was interested as to why this dog statue is here.
Okay, so this is Birdie.
Hi, Birdie.
Birdie, the bird dog, belonged to Dr. Zachary David Macy, a Sevierville physician who served as the 1st District Congressman. He was a board member of Sevier County Bank. His faithful dog accompanied him daily to the office. Each day, Dr. Macy would place his deposit in the pouch and give it to the dog, who would carry the pouch in his mouth through the bank. The dog would give the pouch to the teller and wait while the money was counted, and a deposit slip was written to the teller, then to give it back to the dog to deliver it to Dr. Macy.
That's
So
cool.
She's got her own statue. See the pouch in her mouth. How fun.
That's awesome.
The best kind of security, a dog, right?
Yep. They have all these little stands with all information about Sevierville around everywhere. It's pretty cool to learn the history and what went on here.
Yes, they give you like a little at the bottom, like this one's based on, talks about Sevierville's first woman merchants. Cannon towels for the whole damp family.
Look at this. Wade's department store suffered flood damage numerous times, including this 1963 event. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So you can take your time. Fire?
Yeah.
You can take your time and walk around and learn about Sevierville.
Yeah, apparently years ago then and fires were a big issue.
But this is what it looked like here.
1910.
It's pretty cool.
And then that's 1949. So almost 40 years later.
And we're walking these streets now.
Yeah, it's so crazy. Like, the older I've gotten, I've really come to appreciate history more, especially American history. And it's just crazy. Like, we take so much for granted. It's nuts.
Yeah, the buildings here are gorgeous. I just wish it was open more and more popping over here. Found some history about Sevierville, so Aaron's gonna read it to you.
Settled about 1783, this town, first called Forks of Little Pigeon, was organized as a county seat of Sevierville in 1795. Indian trader Isaac Thomas' home was the first courthouse, fort, and tavern. Jason McMahon?
I don't know.
Gave 25-acre tract for the town, which was later named for John Sevier, first governor of the state.
Cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah,
I love that there's little spots like this that you can find out.
Another one of these little information things.
Civil War skirmish.
I don't know how much really there more is to show you guys.
Yeah, we didn't know everything was gonna be closed.
Yeah.
Besides the few restaurants that we've seen, they're open, but not many of the stores are. So we did just find this pamphlet. It was an actual little bin right by the Dollywood statue. Dolly Parton statue. Sorry, I got Dollywood on the brain. But it does have a walking tour, so there are locations in the map that correlate to those little booths and things that we were telling you about and where all the information is. And then there's also this little section here. Like, it does have the Dollywood statue, some other statues, some other murals, like the Red Steiner mural that we saw earlier. So that's something you can definitely do, especially if the weather's nice and you just want to be outside and get a little history.
Yeah.
And this pamphlet is full of all kinds of information. And I'm sure it's probably available on the Sevier County website as well. So if you're not here and you want to look it up, visit Sevierville.com.
Okay, so we're back over here under the Red's Cafe mural, and we found the jail bars.
Yes, the historic jail bars.
It's cool. So old.
In 1856, the sheriff accidentally started a fire that destroyed the courthouse adjacent to the jail. 41 houses, most businesses burned down. So 41 houses and most businesses all burned down. A 13-year-old inmate perished. Witnesses never forgot the dying screams of the young man. Afterwards, the jail bars were salvaged for various projects during the rebuilding of the town. Eventually, some of these were crafted into gates to cover storm drains. And these are the two that remain.
Two that remain from 1856.
Crazy.
That's how old these are.
Crazy.
Wow. Here we found the tracks of time.
Originally laid along Bruce Street in 1916, these train tracks were unearthed in 2020. This section was reconstructed and dedicated in 2021 as a tribute to the Sevierville's historic railroad.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, man.
There's a little history here about the train systems. The train here was called the Slow and Easy because it only went 11 miles per hour and it was often behind schedule.
Oh my God. Could you imagine?
Yeah.
Nowadays we got Amazon Prime. A little different.
Train Depot 1916. Yeah, it's pretty cool. If you are interested in learning the history of downtown Sevierville, I say come check it out.
Yeah, I think if you're a history person, I think you would really enjoy it.
Got an old school like hardware store here. That looks so cool. I feel like we're back in time.
I know, I wish more things were still like this.
Yes, but unfortunately it's closed, or I'd go in there and check it out. But yeah, right here is the Sevier County Heritage Museum. But it says by appointments only, so we can't go in there. But
it's cool how the first floor is down there.
Oh yeah, look. We're not used to that in Florida. Yeah. You can't dig 3 feet underwater in Florida. You
can't dig 3 feet underground or you hit water.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, Aaron was wrong about the other one. The other train set is called the train track display. This is the tracks of time here in front of the gazebo.
It says, "May we always remember our past and view hopefully our future." A gift from the Sevierville Chamber of Commerce. The sculpture is made from original Knoxville, Sevierville, and Eastern Railroad tracks that once ran the length of Bruce Street.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sturdy, man. Nice. Alright, our next up is the butterfly back there. Okay, we found the Wings of Wonders, the butterfly mural.
Local artist Pinky Mystery was chosen by Sevierville's Commons Association to create downtown Sevierville's first mural. The mural shows a large set of butterfly wings and a smaller butterfly fluttering away to the left. The artist chose the monarch butterfly in particular because they visit Tennessee during their annual migration to Mexico.
It's pretty cool. Yeah. Beautiful mural.
Makes me wanna...
Stand in the middle. Come get your picture here.
And there's a light here, I'm sure at night, so we'll be able to get a picture.
Oh, so you can see. That's nice.
Alright, y'all. So that concludes our little trip here in downtown Sevierville, the historic district.
Yep.
Again, not too much going on, but definitely with the historic walk you can do, the walking tour, I think that would be really cool, especially if you enjoy some history and want to find out the local area that you're visiting, or maybe if you live here and you just haven't done it yet.
Yep, trying to say goodbye here with our friends.
Our friends, yeah. We had a good time hanging out with them today.
All the fall decorations are very cute here.
Yeah, I think it would have been a little more fun if it wasn't super hot.
Yeah.
So maybe once it gets towards, you know, the cooler months, maybe we'll come back, who knows. But we really had a nice time.
Yep. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please hit your like button, hit your notification bell so you'll be notified of all our upcoming content. And if you're new to our channel and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. It's the best way to help our channel. And we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Have a good day.